Hello everyone, welcome back to another special tutorial I'm doing. So this time I am going to create a zombie horde like this. So as you can see here, so this is the preview of the system I'm going to implement. So these zombies are coming all over the place. So yeah, it comes nicely. So this is the system I'm going to implement today. So this is very fun actually, but okay, I think that's enough for the demonstration. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, let's create an empty project with the third person character. Let's include, no, I don't need starter content. If I want, I can add them later. Zombies. Create. Right, now this is the project. Let's modify this a little bit because I need more space for zombies to run around. Okay, keep Alt pressed and rotate. Keep Alt pressed and move. Keep Alt pressed and move. Right, now this is where I am. Cool. Let's duplicate this one as well, so that we can have some interesting moments with the zombies. Right. Okay, now all I need is zombies. So that's basically the main part of the project. Okay, so luckily we have some zombie characters here. Okay, let's download this one. And in the animations I'll use idle. There should be a zombie idle. Yeah, let's download this with the idle animation. Download. I need the skin as well. Okay, let's now here let's create a new folder. Let's call it zombie. and import this downloaded character like this. Okay, here is the character. Everything looks fine for now. So yeah, now I need to turn this into a character, and we already have this third person character. So is there a way to convert this? Well, actually I'm not planning to use these animations for the zombie character, but I think it would be better if I can just reuse all these moments for the zombie character, but that also not much. So here the problem is we have the Mixamo skeleton, and but the epic skeleton is here different. So it is not a problem at the moment, but later on I could run into some problems if I stick with this Mixamo skeleton. So therefore I'll quickly open Blender and convert this to this epic skeleton using this tool that I have shown in my channel before. If you don't know how to do this, you can refer to how to add root bone with Mixamo video I have done in my channel. Okay, so first let me create a folder here, animations, and I'll drag and drop the zombie here, converted. Right, also let's download this idle animation. Now I don't need this skin. And another idle animation. Also we need walk, in place without skin, and run. Without skin. Now let's put all these animations here and copy the folder path. Go to Blender. This is the input path, and now to output path is this converted folder. Accept. Let's convert. Oh, wait a minute. I need to enable this. Use Unreal Engine bone space, bone names. Alright, now all the converted files are here. Now let me re-import this zombie idle here. Okay, now we have the epic skeleton. Right, now what? Okay, now let's go best animation right here, and let's retarget this third person animation blueprint. Wait a minute, before that we need to set the retargeting settings. I'll set this as humanoid rig and save, and then for the zombie idle, go to the skeleton, set this as humanoid rig. Now because this already has the epic skeleton, it has this all mappings are already there, right? Yeah. And preview mesh, select zombie and apply. Okay, now right click, retarget animation blueprint, select the zombie skeleton, change the path to the zombie, and OK, and retarget. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, we have this problem, but it's okay. I'm going to replace all these animations. So how? Let me open the anim graph. So here, let me first go to the idle and run. Okay, so instead of these, for the idle animation I'm going to use, first we need to import the let me put these animations into this folder, and materials and textures into this folder. Oh, not there. Right, now everything we need is here. Okay, now for this I need the real zombie animations, so I'll create a new folder, zombie names, and then let's import this idle 1, idle 2, these animations. Select zombie idle skeleton, I don't need the mesh, only the animation, and import all. Okay, now let's go here. Let me rename this to zombie for this use zombie idle, and for this use zombie walk, for this use zombie running. Okay, right, now the basic setup is done. Now let's go here, and I'll duplicate this third person character. No, let's drag and drop into the zombie folder and copy here. So now I'll name this zombie character. Go here, and instead of this mesh I'm gonna apply zombie mesh, and instead of the animation blueprint for the third person character Oh, where's the zombie enemy baby? Here. I'm gonna apply this. Then let's put this guy here. Let me disable processing this guy, and let's process this guy to test if everything is working. Right, it is working. Okay, so now let's modify this, the zombie character. Here we don't really need a camera, but for now I'll just leave it because this is going to be a NPC character, therefore we don't need a camera. But maybe for testing of animations we will need this later, so I'll just leave this for now. Okay, now let's start creating a simple AI for the zombies. AI, no, we don't need a separate folder. Under blueprint class, all classes, AI controller, select. Okay, let's name this AI zombie. Here let's add AI perception component. So let's set up sense configs like this. For now I need only site config, and dominant sense is also site config. Here, yeah, let's leave the default settings except these things. Okay, and now let's add an event on perception updated. Wait, there are two methods. I don't remember the difference of these two. Let's use the second one. Break. Let's get this actor is controlled. Let's, this is an actor, so right, let's do something like this. Add a new folder called BP and create a new blueprint interface BPI character. Here I'll add a new function called isPlayer. It should return true or false. If the character is player, it should return true. So now in this third person character, I'll go to class settings and implement BPI character, compile. Now here under interfaces we have this, so I'll return true. Now let's return is controlled, is player controlled. Okay, now if the character is controlled by player, it will return true. Now where's the AI zombie? Okay, here let's use is player. If it is true, then if it is true, then I'll promote this as the target. Oh, wait a minute. Then if this successfully sensed, let's set the branch. If this successfully sensed is true, no, let's do this step after this. Then if it is false, then I'll set, no, let's not do anything for now. Move to actor. So target is this target. Acceptance is, for now I'll keep as 20. I'll print, no. Now go to the zombie character and under phone set the AI controller as AI zombie. Auto possess or AI placed in world or spawned. Now I'll disable this processing for this guy and I'll enable processing for this guy. Let's move it back like this. Oh, we need to add a nav mesh here. And we have to make sure it covers the whole area. Okay, shall we test? Okay, now this guy is coming towards me, but the problem is he's only just one guy. We need the horde. And he can't follow me again. Right, for that we have this nav link proxy. Let's try, oh, I think it works like this. I don't know, I haven't tried this yet. I haven't tried this before, but I knew about this. Let's see if this works. And let's add another one here as well. Why I can't move? Okay, so actually the problem is once he reach my location it stops moving, so I'm not invoking it to move again, follow me again. So for that I think I can do something like this. In the event tick, Yeah, let's do it like this. In the event tick, get target is valid. That means if I have a valid target, distance from the target to this character, that means get controlled pawn. If this distance is larger than 40, let's say 40, I'll invoke this same move to actor function like this. Right, now let's try again. Now he's coming. If I go away, he's continue to follow me, and he can't come here. Let me try again. Oh, he's stuck there. No, wait a minute. This is wrong. Instead of this one, let's use this move to this AI move to node. So here target is this. No, target is this. Acceptance radius is 20. And yeah, I'll disconnect this part for now, and let's move it. Yeah, let's create a custom event. Follow target, and instead of this, I'll call follow target function. So here, if the distance is larger, call AI move to, and the destination is this target actor. Let's drag and drop a new reference, 20. And here let's add to ones node, and let's reset this only if I succeed or only if I fail. Right? Okay, and now let's add the sequence here. Wait, give a delay of 5 seconds, and again call follow target. So this part will allow us to continuously follow the player without any issue. Now he comes here, and if I move away, and he's coming again. See, that's better. Now he's following me everywhere. What if I jump here? Can we add something like this here too? Let's see. Oh, he tried to jump and he fell down. Cool. Okay, I think now this zombies is smart enough. That's crazy. So the zombies is smart enough. Let's now. Now actually I needed to implement a horde of zombie, so there should be so many zombies, but I'm not sure if Unreal can handle as many zombies as I want. So let's see. This is not relevant to that. This is just to get rid of this like baking warning. Let me close this unnecessary stuff. And here let's enable no, stat fps and stat unit graph stat unit graph. So we don't have any issue with a single zombie. Now let's see how many zombies that I can have. Shall we delete this camera component? That's annoying. Oh no, they all are coming. Why aren't they doing anything? They are stuck. Let's reduce the speed of zombies because players should have an advantage. Max walk speed, this is 600. Let's make it 400. And here, yeah, What are they trying to do there? Alright, I think they are trying to go this way because I have enabled both ways. So they should be... oh, we have to set it for one by one. Instead of both ways, it should be left to right. What is left and what is right? How do I know that? Left and right. Ah, this is left. Ah, okay. So it should be left to right. And this one also left to right. This should be both ways. And this is left to right. Okay, now let's see. Now they are trying to come here. Maybe let's try, instead of AI controller, there is something called detour AI controller. Let's make this the parent class so that they would not bump into each other. Let's see. Okay, shall we fix their jump in animation? That looks horrible. These weird hands. So let's show retargeting options. Okay, that should do it. Okay, now let's increase the number of zombies. Let's try double, triple, and see what happens. Why are they up? Oh, there is a problem in this character. They are floating. Here. Let's move down this character. And also let's add some other stuff like so that I can hide and run around. Like buildings. So we can make this a little more interesting. And still FPS seems alright. Oh, now they are coming from everywhere. Yeah, that's better. Let's try multiplying even further. Let's put them everywhere. Wait, some of them are not moving. Yeah, some of them are not moving. I'm not sure why. Oh, but now I'm stuck. These guys. Let me delete this character. Let's see if everyone is moving now. I think we hit a limit. Okay, let's reduce them a little bit. And now what if we disable this character's capsule collision with each other? So that means I'll go to custom and then let's ignore collision with this pawn component. Now I think they are coming more smoothly. more like zombies. They always stuck here. Let's remove this. Okay, in my character, yeah, no. Now let's try to multiply these characters. Let's see if all of them are coming. Yeah. No, some of them are not coming. Why is that? Let's see. Did I disable there? No, that seems fine. Okay, let's try a different approach. Here, let me keep only one of them, and then I'll rename this as AI Zombie Master, and I'll create another AI controller. Well, not an AI controller, zombie character, a child. Here, let's disable. Let's reset this to AI controller, just normal AI controller, and then here I'll add a new variable called master. It should be in the type of factor. Now in the event graph, in the event tick, I'll add movement input in this direction. Look at find, look at rotation. Start is get after location, and end is get after location of the master. Right, split this. And this is the direction. So scale value 1. So we should do this only if we have a valid master. Also, let's add another parameter. Move. I'll set this to false. Now, in the zombie master character, so this is zombie character, and this is zombie character child. Now in the zombie character I'll add a new function called spawn followers. No, let's not implement it as a function. Let's implement it as a custom event. Spawn followers. Now let's call it a loop. Start index is 0, last index is, I'll promote this as follower count. I'll set this, keep it as 0 by default. Here in the loop body I'll spawn actor from class. Class is zombie character child. Spawn transform. I'll split this location, get actor location, and random reachable point in radius of 500. Transform rotation is, I'll keep it as 0, 0. Scale, I'll randomize this too. No. Yeah, let's randomize this. Scale ran. And split this. So set scale random float in range 0.8 1.3, then set scale like this. Okay, now I'll promote these to a variable called followers. Now this should be an array. Get followers, add unique. First let's check it's valid. If we have a valid reference here, add it to this array. Right, and then in the begin play, where's the begin play? We don't have a begin play. Right, then let's add the begin play. Here spawn followers. Okay, now for now I'll set this as true. Let's set the follow count. I'll make this visible, and here I'll change this to 50. Infinite loop. And the zombie and MVP. Where is that? Is it because this one? Yeah. Let's add a branch here. Why are they not moving? Sorry. I need to set here. I need to set the master as this character. Still no. Okay, let's debug one of them. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, this is a vector, not a rotation. So therefore, I should give the direction like this. Normalize. Well, that's crazy. It looks like some kind of abomination. Well, now let me enable here. I'll re-enable this phone collision, otherwise this should become something like a cancer. Now these are some zombies. And yeah, we should prevent them spawning underground. So how to do that? um, or let's spawn no. Make vector split get x and y from this, and I'll then break this and always keep Z as the original character. Okay. And let's do something else too. I'll in this zombie character I'll increase the speed 450, and for the child characters I'll make it 350, no, 400. Okay, now let's have multiple master characters. So like this, here this guy has 50 followers. Instead of I'll try 20, and then let's have multiple characters for him. Like this. Right, now this is a zombie horde. Alright, so I think I'll stop this episode at this point. These guys, it looks like they are stuck. Well, this is a start, so if you guys want I can continue with this system, but it has already taken like 1 hour, so therefore I'll stop at this point. We can try one more thing. I'll decrease here, let's reduce this capsule radius like 20, and also I'll ignore the camera here so that I can clearly observe. here too. Okay. Oh yeah, to make this smooth we can do something like this. We can add staircases in multiple places. Wow. One guy is stuck there. Okay, so I'll stop this episode at this point. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And also I released the project file update for this ledge climbing system uh, in the open world series. You can now download that in the Patreon page. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Well, actually, I after stopping the tutorial, I go ahead and did some modifications here in the zombie character child. So here, what I do is, if there is something blocking in the direction that I want to move, if nothing is blocking, then I continue to move in that direction. Otherwise, if I check if there is anything that blocking into my right side, if and then if there is nothing blocking in my right side, I just add a movement input there. Otherwise, I add the movement into my left side with a jump. So because of this, I could prevent characters being stuck in some places like this. So now they don't remain stuck anymore. So here is the final preview. So now they are really dangerous. They can come anyway because of the jumping ability. Like World War Z type zombies. Oh, let's go around this. Wow, this is great. So we could do this under 1 hour. No, actually, like a little more than 1 hour. So maybe if we put time like a year, I think we can do something better than, well, I'll not say the game. Right, so this is fun and I'm keep playing and it's taking time. So I'll stop, and this project file will be available through my Patreon page. Thanks again for watching.